got some old LiPo batteries from quadcopters that are no longer good. They're dangerous, so what better way to get rid of them than 22 with tracers. Let's see if we can blow this on up. Over just a little bit. I'll give you an idea of what I'm aiming at. Open sight, you'll see the blue dot. That's a small 7.4. The next one is 11.4 battery, and the one on the very end is a 12-volt battery. So let's see how this looks. Shoot on the tracers. I didn't bow hunt this afternoon. I fished most of the day. Just taking a break. It's fixing to get hot again, so really the morning's the best time to hunt, but not during a full moon. I'm gonna shoot at the blue one first. I want to see how far off these are. Not that easy to hit. I seen the tracer though, it went to the left of it. Let's try this again. See if I get more salt. That is an itty bitty target. Well, I still got these loaded up. Let's see if I can hit the black one. Let's go for the big one first. Look at there. See that thing go psst. That's pretty cool. Yeah, open sight rifle. If I can get on it, I can see it. I expected way more fireworks than that. Oh, I see. I only hit one cell. I faced it the wrong way. Damn it. And it didn't explode into flames. I didn't hit it directly then. I love shooting tracers. I can't believe that big old battery didn't go up in flames. It should have. Been a long time since I pinked around with a 22, and I tell you what, it's fun. It's economical. I really like shooting them tracers. That's fun. I just wanted to show you all these batteries that I shot at. Here's the little blue one. It pretty much, well, you see it exploded. There was a second cell. This one shocked me. This battery took that bullet like a champ. Look at that hole right there. It took it though. I mean, it didn't even go all the way through. And here's one that went up fizzling. It's still warm. And they smell funny. If you ever burned a LiPo battery, you know exactly what I'm talking about.